This time our hiking team set off on a wonderful 4-day adventure to the beautiful island of Rab. After arriving by ferry on the Stinica-Mišnjak route, we headed straight to Supetarska Draga and the starting point of the Fruga Trail toward the Lopar Peninsula. Our first hike took us through one of Rab's most unique landscapes, shaped by stone, wind and time. The trail passes through a fascinating area filled with dry stone walls, old ponds and remnants of ancient settlements. Designed by Ante Premužić, the creator of the famous Premužić Trail on Velebit, the route beautifully blends nature, traditional stonework and human ingenuity. The last section of the trail offered spectacular views of the northern part of the island and the sparkling Adriatic Sea. The second day brought a completely different experience. After breakfast, we boarded a boat for a trip to Goli Otok. The cheerful atmosphere on board contrasted sharply with the island's tragic past. During a tour by tourist train, we learned about the history of one of the most notorious political prisons in post-war Europe. The stories of hardship, forced labor and suffering left a deep impression on all of us. After this emotional visit, we returned to the boat, where a delicious lunch and a relaxing cruise along the rugged coastline helped lift our spirits while we admired the beauty of the Adriatic.